Hey guys, I'm just excited to bring you my first project coming back to Julie Jules World, and it's going to be a 3-layer tiara for your kitchen. I'm making specifically for the kitchen, but you can use this any part of your house. I'm just excited to bring you the first video. So the materials that I'm going to bring to you today, let me show you. 2 candle holders. You have also, this is optional guys, spray paint for the pans. You're gonna need $1. This is from Dollar Tree as well. You need this size pan, and then you're gonna need this one here, as well as this one here. But this one I did not purchase from Dollar Tree. I bought this at Walmart because it's just a little bit bigger than the Dollar Tree one, the smaller size one. This one on the bottom, this one in the middle, this one on the top. 3 baking pans you're gonna need, as well as your candle holders. You're gonna need spray paint, optional. This is white spray paint that I'm using for mine. You can get whatever color you want. This is optional as well, guys. You need some scrap paper. E6000 glue. You're gonna need, well, this is optional as well, some brown acrylic paint. The reason why I say it's optional because you don't really necessarily need to use this, because I'm gonna make, when I finish painting the pans, I'm gonna kind of make it kind of like a rusty kind of look to it, a farmhouse rusty kind of look. You know, look like it's actually been tampered with, kind of like that. So, and I think that's it, guys. So let's go ahead and start this project. What you want to do is, I'm gonna go ahead and spray paint these. And then don't forget, if you do have a candle, the candle holder like I do, you want to spray paint that as well too. Yeah, so everything can match up. So your 3 pans and then your candle holder. This one I don't need to spray paint because it's already white, and that's what I'm going for. Have the flat one, just finished painting these. So now we just go ahead and put everything together, all right? So of course, we're gonna start with this pan. Of course, it's gonna be the bottom layer of it. Candle holder, close to the center. There's second one, which I got the one from Walmart, like I was saying. That's gonna be your second layer. And then you're gonna get your other candle holder, and then you're gonna put that on top of there. It'll be a third. This is gonna be a 3rd layer, okay? If you are using the paint, this is a good time for you to start painting. Yeah, just wrap yourself with some paper towel and just take a little bit of it. Let me see, a drop there. Kind of squeeze that in there. Just play with it for a little bit. See that? You don't want much. See, it kind of looks a little bit right there. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, it looks kind of distressed. So making them look like that nice. Try not to be too heavy-handed with it, because the more you be heavy-handed, the more dark it's gonna look. So you kind of not want it to be too dark, but just light enough where you can see it kind of look like it's turning, you know? So that looks good. I want to do some on the outside layer of the side here as well. The ends too, kind of make it look, yeah. So all the way down here as well. Looks pretty good. And so you can do the same thing for the rest of them. Just go ahead and add your paint to it. I finished adding the paint to it, and it looks pretty good. I don't know if you guys can see it from there. I like that farmhouse kind of look, that rusty kind of look, so that's what I'm going for. Pretty good. So, and like I said, next step, grab a good paper. Go ahead and shape it out, guys, just in round circle inside of there. And the same thing with this as well, and as this as well. Finished cutting out the papers. We're just gonna glue everything together. Let's go ahead and glue the paper on. I'm gonna use my liquid glue and glue it all in there, and then put it on the bottom. Do the same thing for all 3 of these. So after you finish putting all layering the paper on top of the pan, we're just gonna go ahead and just glue these on in place. To help the process a little bit more faster, I'm gonna add some glue on top of it and just to make things stick in place and everything. So here we go. Like I said, try your very best to center it as much as you can. And then do the same thing for all 3 of the layers. Glue gun and just the same thing for the rest of it too as well. Just place it in the center. And then do the same thing for this. And then we're gonna put this on top of there. Okay guys, here it is, the finished product. So now we can go ahead and decorate it. So let's go ahead. Guys, check it out. Here it is, the final results of it. I do like the way it turned out. I am loving the kind of rustic kind of look to it. So I'm happy with the way it is. So let's go ahead and decorate it. I'm gonna go ahead and put some things inside of it. And these are a few things I'm gonna add to it. Got this from Dollar Tree, as well as these welcome harvest, and then thank you. Spray painted this white one, and then I spray painted the thank you one gold. So you can do something with that. And some extra stuff on there. So yeah, let's go ahead and see how it turned out to be. Okay, let me go ahead and put this stuff up, and then I'll definitely show you guys the after finished product. Looking forward to it. Guys, here's the results. I think it turned out beautiful, beautiful. I put the, oops, my picture. Actually, I got this from Dollar Tree, guys, too. And I figure I place it right back there. Kind of give it just that little touch back there. But look, guys, that looks awesome. Look at that. Got a little pumpkin there, and then this pineapple. And a candle holder that I got from Dollar Tree as well. And a thank you, like I said, Dollar Tree. Where's that 3-pack? Here it is. Let me show you guys. And it comes in this package right here. This package right here, and it's 3 of them. And it says thankful, harvest, and welcome. I used to just hang these right there, just lay it right there. I didn't glue it down or anything. I just lay on the top of there. And just beautiful. This is the top of it. I have my little sugar bowl here. And I have few other decorations, little tree here I got from Dollar Tree as well. This like beautiful mug that I love, and I have other things back there. And in the bottom, I have this vase that I actually spray painted the top gold and then the bottom silver. And I just had a candle holder that I got from Dollar Tree. Spray painted a little gold here, and then just add some burlap to this, add little flowers there to it, just give it that nice warm look. So yes, I love the way it turned out, guys. I think it turned out awesome. I'm very happy with it. Love, 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 love it. And actually, you know, I'm gonna redecorate it again. I'm gonna put my tea and coffee displays on it, and my mugs and everything. So like I said, you can play with this. And I love that country, you know, rustic kind of look to it. It's just so warm and inviting. So I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Tier. This is a DIY 3-layer tier for your kitchen. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please comment, like, subscribe, and share. And you guys will see me in my next video. Bye, my YouTubers.